Hi, this is Dr. Abinaya Vijayakumar. I am a doctor and a motherhood empowerment coach. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about the care of your private parts. Let's get started. Many a times, private part care is something that is unasked, and people see all type of videos and start doing stuff, but they don't actually go out to the doctor asking what can be done and what cannot be done. So here in this video, let us discuss the care of your private parts so that you do the right thing from now on. Number one. So when it comes to underwear, always select the cotton underwear compared to that of the other materials because that's going to be breathable and healthy. Number two, during your menstrual cycle, always prefer cotton pads to that of gel or synthetic materials so that the chances of infection goes low as well as it doesn't do much harsh to the private parts. Number three, change your pads frequently. If you are someone even with a low flow, do not have a pad, the same pad for 24 hours or 12 hours. Please do change the pad at a frequency of 4 to 6 hours, which is a good minimum change up time. The longer the pad is going to stay, the chances of infection build up is high. So do change your pads frequently even if your flow is low at the frequency of 4 to 6 hours. Number 4, should you really always use a vaginal care, vaginal wash or soap every single time you wash your private parts? No, absolutely not. If you're going to do that, that's the biggest mistake that you're going to do, because vagina is maintained at a particular pH so that the bacteria doesn't enter inside, which is an acidic pH. But on the other go, if you're going to use soap very frequently, it's going to be alkaline in nature. This is going to neutralize the vaginal pH, which makes it easy for all the harmful bacteria to enter into the vagina, which we don't want to have. So this builds up the chances of infection in your private parts. So you don't have to necessarily use soap water or vaginal wash every single time. Maybe once in a day you can clean up, but otherwise plain water is good to go. Number 5, do not keep your private parts wet for a longer duration. Even when you use a restroom, after you wash the private parts, dab it dry with a cloth or a tissue so that it stays dry and the chances of infection goes low. Number 6, should you always shave the private parts? No. Private part has hair covered on it because it has a purpose. If you're going to shave it very frequently, it can lead to infections, folliculitis, etc., which is not a good sign. So you can either trim it or clip it rather than shaving it or waxing it, which is going to be so harsh on the skin and it can increase the chances of infection in the private parts. Number 7. After the intercourse, always try to wash your private parts, because if you leave it the same way without washing, that's going to increase the chances of infection and possibly the chances of urinary tract infection or sexually transmitted infections is also going to go high if your partner has an infection. So do wash the private parts after each time you have intercourse. I hope you found this video useful. Do let me know in the comments what are the other topics that you want me to do videos on. If you like this video, do give me a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on that notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on any upcoming videos in my channel. So let's spread more awareness about this and be more hygienic. Until I meet you in the next video, stay happy, stay mummified.